Hey, we continue to watch a quiet morning, but an active late afternoon and evening still looms for much of the region. We are looking at, again, the threat for severe weather to start to increase just a bit from about 6 p.m. this evening through about 1 or 2 o'clock early Thursday morning. The main threats will be damaging winds and the chance of a brief spin-up tornado or two. There's also flood concerns, especially up in the mountains where we have a flash flood watch that's been issued for Transylvania, Henderson, Buncombe, Yancey, and Mitchell counties, as well as McDowell, Polk, and Rutherford, the high elevations of those areas, also until 2 o'clock tomorrow morning. Things are quiet now, a few sprinkles in the mountains, and that's about it. Things are still behaving, if you will, off to the west. Things are still fairly quiet. So the rest of the morning still looks dry, an active, breezy afternoon on the way. For the upstate, will reach easily into the 70s with a strong southerly wind developing. We could see gusts up to 30 miles per hour today, even before the storms get here. Looking at Futurecast, I want to show you when some of the active weather will be getting here. Through 5 p.m., things are still looking okay. After that, we are looking at between about 5 and 8 p.m. to see our weather kind of go downhill across the upstate. You can see that I think the worst of our weather is going to be between 7 and 11 p.m. this evening. You can see at 9 p.m. just an absolute mess to Futurecast showing up there. By midnight, we're hanging on to a threat in the eastern areas. But by 1 o'clock, I do think that we can be almost fully clear. Certainly by 2 a.m., I think we are going to be almost completely storm-free. And that's going to get us into Thursday morning where things are going to be quite different. We're going to see some clouds, yes, and a few showers in the mountains, but the severe weather threat will be done. And after tonight's storm threat, we're actually going to be good for the weekend for the first time in weeks. We're going to be quiet and sunny both days, Saturday and Sunday, warm afternoons, upper 70s on Saturday, followed by middle 80s on Sunday. Next small chance of rain arrives early next week.